Red meat, especially beef, has long been vilified in health circles. We often hear claims that it leads to heart disease, cancer, and other health risks. But how much of this is based on solid evidence, and how much is rooted in outdated ideas? This video explores the potential benefits of red meat for longevity and health, shedding light on why it might not be the villain it's made out to be. How does red meat contribute to muscle health, and what role does it play in tissue repair and recovery? Let's dive into the facts and debunk some common myths. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Red meat has been at the center of heated debates in the nutrition world. The first common myth is that red meat consumption leads to heart disease and cancer. This belief largely stems from studies that conflate processed meats with fresh, unprocessed red meats. However, newer research suggests that the link between red meat and these diseases may be less clear-cut. Several studies indicate that when consumed as part of a balanced diet, red meat does not significantly increase the risk of heart disease or cancer. The second myth involves red meat's fat and cholesterol content. While red meat does contain saturated fat, recent findings suggest that dietary cholesterol and saturated fat may not be as harmful as previously thought. For example, the American Heart Association has softened its stance on dietary cholesterol, acknowledging that it might not have as significant an impact on blood cholesterol as once believed. Understanding these myths is crucial to evaluating the role of red meat in a healthy diet. Once we move beyond these misconceptions, we can better appreciate the nutritional value of red meat and its unique benefits. In the next section, we'll explore the specific nutrients found in red meat and why they are important for health and longevity. Red meat, particularly beef, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in essential vitamins and minerals that are critical for maintaining overall health and promoting longevity. Among these nutrients, iron stands out. Red meat is an excellent source of heme iron, which is more readily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron found in plant-based sources. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen in the blood and plays a vital role in energy production. Another key nutrient found in red meat is zinc, essential for immune function, DNA synthesis, and wound healing. Zinc's bioavailability from red meat is higher than from plant sources, making it a valuable part of a balanced diet. Additionally, red meat is high in B vitamins, particularly B12, which is vital for nerve function, brain health, and red blood cell production. Protein is perhaps the most notable component of red meat. Unlike plant-based proteins, animal protein contains all 9 essential amino acids in ideal proportions, making it a complete protein source. This makes red meat invaluable for muscle growth, tissue repair, and recovery after exercise. Its high protein content helps maintain muscle mass, which is especially important as we age. Creatine, another compound found in red meat, contributes to muscle energy production and has been shown to improve strength and exercise performance. These nutrients collectively highlight why red meat can be a beneficial addition to a healthy diet. In the following section, we'll delve deeper into one of red meat's unique compounds, carnosine, and explore its role in muscle health and longevity. Carnosine is an intriguing compound found in red meat, especially beef. It's a dipeptide, meaning it's made of 2 amino acids, beta-alanine and histidine. This compound plays a significant role in muscle health, and recent research suggests it might contribute to longevity. One of carnosine's primary functions is buffering the pH levels in muscles during exercise. When you exercise intensely, your muscles produce lactic acid, which can cause a drop in pH, leading to fatigue and decreased performance. Carnosine helps neutralize this acid, allowing for longer and more intense workouts. This buffering capacity can be crucial for athletes and those engaging in high-intensity training. Beyond its role in exercise, carnosine has been studied for its potential anti-aging effects. It has antioxidant properties, helping to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This oxidative stress is linked to aging and various diseases, suggesting that carnosine might have protective benefits for the body as we age. Some studies also indicate that carnosine can reduce the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, compounds that can contribute to aging and chronic diseases. In summary, carnosine offers a unique advantage for muscle health and may contribute to longevity through its buffering and antioxidant properties. By consuming red meat, you can increase your intake of carnosine, potentially benefiting your exercise performance and overall health. Next, we will explore the broader healing and repairing benefits of red meat, discussing how its rich protein content supports tissue recovery and why it's crucial for maintaining a strong and resilient body. Red meat, particularly beef, is a critical source of high-quality protein, which plays a fundamental role in healing and repairing the body. The body's ability to regenerate tissue relies heavily on the intake of complete proteins, and red meat offers a unique combination of amino acids that supports this process. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. When you engage in physical activities like resistance training or other forms of exercise, muscle fibers experience micro-tears. The body needs protein to repair these tears, rebuilding muscle tissue to become stronger and more resilient. Red meat's complete protein profile, containing all 9 essential amino acids, provides the necessary building blocks for this repair process. Additionally, red meat's protein content is beneficial for post-surgery recovery and injury rehabilitation. Adequate protein intake is critical for healing wounds, reducing recovery time, and maintaining muscle mass during periods of immobility. This is especially important for older adults, who often face muscle loss due to aging, a condition known as sarcopenia. Consuming red meat can help combat this muscle loss, supporting a healthier and more active lifestyle as we age. Red meat's nutritional benefits go beyond protein. To repeat the other compounds in red meat, creatine, which has been shown to enhance muscle strength and energy, aiding recovery. Furthermore, zinc, found in high quantities in red meat, plays a vital role in immune function and wound healing. This combination of nutrients makes red meat a valuable ally in the body's healing and repair processes. To reap the benefits of red meat, it's essential to consume it as part of a balanced diet. In the following section, we'll discuss how to integrate red meat into a healthy diet without overconsumption, addressing common concerns and offering practical guidance for a balanced approach. In conclusion, red meat, particularly beef, has been unfairly vilified, but emerging research shows it offers significant health benefits. Its rich protein content, along with essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and carnosine, supports muscle growth, tissue repair, and overall longevity. To harness these benefits, consider integrating red meat into a balanced diet, focusing on moderation and variety. Don't let misconceptions dictate your dietary choices. Explore the science and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. The next step? Revisit your weekly meals and see where a moderate serving of red meat can contribute to your long-term health and vitality.